Good morning, students. I am Khilesh sir, and today in our class 6th, we will learn about our chapter first. Who did Patrick's homework? In the previous part, we had learned about a student whose name was Patrick, and he was very lazy, very incompetent to do his homework. Suddenly he found his helper, a little man, and then he makes him to do his homework. Now, in this chapter, we will learn our next part, number 6. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? Patrick was very weak in maths. He even don't know tables. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. Here, a little man, little creature, elf, asks Patrick, what are these times tables? You know, this little creature, they do not need such a things. So he asks Patrick. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. You know, Patrick had given to do his homework to this little creature elf. But elf was very weak in study. He don't know even addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Because the elves don't need to learn that. It is only human who had to learn such a things. So elf asked Patrick to sit with him and guide him. Elves know nothing of human history. Elves don't know human history. To them it's a mystery. It is mystery for them. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Shouter means who was speaking very loudly. Now just more, he was speaking more loudly. Go to the library, I need books. More and more books, and you can help me read them too. Elf told to Patrick, you go to library and bring some books, read and then teach me. So here Patrick's plan was seeming failed because Patrick thought that this little elf will do his homework, but the little elf makes Patrick also do homework and read and bring books, etc. 7. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Every day, in every matter, a little elf was a nag. Nag means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. So, very difficult, very irritating the little elf was for Patrick. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Finally, the last day came. School was about to close and elf was free. As for homework, there was no more. Now there no remain of homework. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Quietly, calmly and slyly, secretively, he went out, slipped out the back door. Patrick got his ass. 9. Patrick got his ass. A means यहाँ Patrick got A grade. His classmates were amazed. Everyone was amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. You know, Patrick, by help of that elf who was nominated to do homework, but he took work from Patrick, and thus Patrick read books and done homework. By this, Patrick got A's. His classmates were very amazed, surprised, and teachers also smiled and praised Patrick. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. Patrick's parents were very wondered. He was now the model kid. Now Patrick got A grade. He was model kid. Model means a best ideal person for study. Here, study. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now Patrick was changed. He was cleaning his room and he was doing his chores. Chores means daily his works. Was cheerful. He was always cheerful, happy, and never rude to anyone. Like he had developed a new attitude. Means Patrick was changed completely what he was previously. 10. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Carol Moore. So, here ends our chapter. At the end, we can see that Patrick got A grade. And Patrick still thought that he made that elf to do his homework. But as we have learned in this chapter that elf was knowing nothing about history, maths, etc. He got help from Patrick, and Patrick done that work to help that elf. Thus Patrick become clever. He become knowledgeable, and thus he got A grade. And so we can learn that Patrick was hardworking, and he studied hard and got first rank, A grade, and become model kid. So, thus ends our chapter. Goodbye.